Now we will do the revision of arithmetic progression, and in the arithmetic progression in the last class we have studied about, that is, the questions. Now the question is the sum of first n terms. Question number 1. The sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n terms of AP is 3n square plus n. 3n square plus n. Find AP. This is the question. Now this question, sum of first n terms given Sn equal to 3n square plus n. Find AP. So what you will write? Let AB be A plus B, A plus 2B, and so on. Now A is first term. For first term of AB, put n equal to 1. Now when we are putting first term of AP, put n equal to 1, that is S1 will be what? 3 into 1 square plus n. That is n is 1. So S1 is what? 3 plus 1. S1 equal to 4. So what S1 tells? S1 means sum of one term. Then we can say S1 equal to A equal to 4. So A equal to what? 4. When we are putting n equal to 2, put n equal to 2. S2 is what? Sum of two terms. Now S2, 3, 1, another is 2 square plus 2. S2, 4, 3, 12 plus 2. S2, 14. S2, 14. Now S2 is 14. So what we will say? S2 means sum of two terms. S2 equal to A, two terms of AP. A bracket A plus B. So S2 is 14. In place of A, you write the value of 4, then again 4, then D. So you will get D equal to 14 minus 8 equal to 6. So D equal to 6. After this D equal to 6, now what you will do? You will write, hence AP is, how we have written. After that you write, hence AP is, first number is 4, then D you are adding, that is 4 plus 6, 10, then 16, and so on. So this is your final answer. Now this question can be done in another way also, but I feel this question is very easy to solve, and this is the way you have to do the question in exam. You know another method, you can do it, but this is very easy method to solve the question. Now, sum of first and term, this is given. Now, sum term what is given? Next question, sum of three numbers which are in AP is given, and product is given. You can find out the AP. So, this type of questions you will find. Here, what is given? Next question 2. Find AP when nth term is given by 3n minus 2. Now again the same simple question is that here nth term is given. Previously, in previous question what was given? Sum of n terms was given. So first what do you write? Find AP, so you will write that APB, A plus B, A plus 2B and so on. Now nth term of AP, nth term of AP, that is AN. Nth term of APN is 3n minus 2. Now find, put n equal to 1 for first term. For first term. Put n equal to 1 for first term. A equal to A1 equal to 3 into 1 minus 2. So A equal to what? 3 minus 2. A equal to 1. Now put n equal to 2 for second term. A2, that is 3 into 2 minus 2. A2 equal to 6 minus 2. A2 equal to 4. A2 equal to 4. The second term you are getting is, second term is 4. Now after that find common difference. Common difference B, that is second term minus first term. 4 minus 1, so B is 3. After finding B, then you write, hence AB is, so first number is 1, second is 4, 7 and number. This is the way you can do the question when nth term is given. Now next question. Next, find AP. Find AP, the sum of fifth and ninth term of AP is 30. If it's 25th term, if its 25th term is 3 times its 8th term, find AP we have written. So what is the question? Find AP. So solution will be what? Let AP be A plus B, A plus 2B and so on. Now sum of fifth term A5, A9 equal to 30 and 25th term A25 is 3 times 8th term. This is given. A5 is what? A plus 4D. A9 is what? A plus 8D. That is 30. 2A plus 12D equal to 30. So to take common, A plus 6D equal to 30. This 2 and this 30 cancel. So A plus 6D equal to 15. First equation. Once you got the equation number 1, next A plus 24D equal to 3 times A plus 17. So A plus 24D equal to 3A plus 17. So A minus 2A equal to 17 minus 24D. So you will say minus A equal to, minus A minus 3A. That is minus 2A. 70 minus 24D minus 17D. Minus minus cancel. So you will say 2A equal to 17D or A equal to 17D upon 2. You can put the value of A or you may get the equation number 2. It depends on you how you want to solve. You can form an equation also. So it depends on you how you are doing. Now after that you have to solve this equation. So A is what? 17D upon 2 plus 6D equal to 15. What you have done here? Putting the value of A in equation 1. So here 2 is answered. 17D minus plus 12D equal to 15. So 29D equal to 30. So D becomes 30 upon 29. Here we have made the mistake here. Please see that here I have not opened this. So one mistake I have done in the question. So please see that in the question the multiplication part you have see here the mistake 3A plus 21D So what you will say now? A minus 3A equal to 21B minus 24B. So minus 2A equal to minus, that is 3B. So minus minus cancel. A equal to 3D upon 2. This is 2. Here you can do this question now. So putting the value of A in equation 1 from equation 2. Now A 3B upon 2 plus 6B equal to 15. That is 2. 3D plus 12D equal to 15. 15D equal to 30. D equal to 2. Then A 3 into A is what? A, B is 2, then you will say A is 3. A is 3. The last one like AB is first number 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, and so on. This is the way you have to do the question. Please see that here when we are multiplying 3 into A, 3A. If you are not multiplying that, the mistake what I have done in the 2-3 minutes before, the class, that is 3 into 7 I have not multiplied. You have to multiply it and then you will get the equation and you will get the answer. After this we have, so practice this type of questions. You will be able to do the question of this type, and in AP, the variety of questions are there. You put the questions from the book also, with pressure and all. So practice this chapter